My experience with the masterclass, even small nitty-gritties which were explained by Aditi ma'am were very important. Like, doing ice breaking, getting that connect. And after doing the masterclass, the content which we got, that a session on how to effectively take a masterclass with games like, the clapping games, game with drawing in the sky, the thread activity, the ink activity which we did with papers, how indirectly we can teach them that taking care of your health is your responsibility. So all these activities bring life to the session. But if we take sessions like this, it feels like period is a celebration. That was the difference I gauged from getting this masterclass. After 1 year of entire research, I founded Project Ladli as an extension of Pagaria Welfare Foundation. I decided that we would work on marriage, pregnancy, menstruation, and women empowerment. So we have adopted areas in Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and rural parts of Maharashtra. When I was in Rajasthan, we visited around 10 villages, and every village we covered around 50 to 100 girls and ladies. We just did awareness sessions with them, and we have been able to distribute a patch to 10,000 girls and women all over India post the COVID pandemic, undertake lots of menstrual hygiene awareness sessions, and we always work in collaboration with the local rural NGOs who have in touch with the Anganwadi centers or the primary healthcare center. And as of now, we have around 20 girls who have been trained by us, and they are taking sessions. We have made a Ladli kit for awareness, and then we have rubber models, one magazine, we give one cup, then one packet of pads, one packet of tampons. The way your team has explained, and the way the magazine goes in a story format, plus it is available in many languages. I try to do Zumba session in the end. That gives a very good ending to the class, and they remember. This is how Project Ladli has been working, and we have been evolving. Menstrupedia comics have been provided in Rajasthan and in Bihar. So approximately we have around 2,000 girls who have read these comics. It is not just we have given it to one and they keep it at their home. We try to circulate that. All our content have been designed as per the curriculum from Menstrupedia. Giving your time is the best thing you can give. And with this time, the knowledge you would be sharing with the girls and the women in any area, be it urban or rural or tribal, it is the best gift for them. Nobody can take it back from them. I'm not asking you to go and raise 10,000 funds and go and distribute pads. But if you are trained and if you can go and do a session in the community where you are living, you will be able to create a difference.